Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to make WhatsApp text bold. So let's begin. So there are two ways to make text bold in WhatsApp and I will show you both. So the first way is using symbols. So to do this, first open any chat. Now, while typing a message, put an asterisk on both sides of the word or phrase you want to bold. So type in the message you want and anything that you want to make bold, simply press on this button. Now put in an asterisk, that is this star icon, and type in the message that you want to send, and at the end of the message simply add an asterisk again. So adding an asterisk on both sides of the word or phrase you want to bold will instantly make it look like this. Once you send the message, the asterisk disappear and the text shows up bold for both you and the recipient. Now, the second way is through formatting menu. Type your message. Now, long press on the word you want to bold until it gets selected. Now, drag the handles to select more text if needed. Once your text is highlighted, you will see formatting toolbar appear. Click on three-dotted icon and scroll down. Now choose bold, and that will instantly make that text. Click send and that specific text will be bold. So this works in both regular chats and group chats. So that's how you make WhatsApp text bold. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.